What's going on, guys? Another day, another video. We're gonna talk about Insta360 Go 2, the second version. I didn't have a first version. I was waiting a year. I was like, they're gonna come out with the second one. They came out with the second version. Let's go use it. I have it. Unbelievably small and tiny camera. It fits in my pocket like my AirPods. Like it's identical in the size almost. So let's go to the downtown and record some footage driving on a one wheel and longboard. Let's do that. Let's transfer to downtown. This dude with me today, helping me out. So you guys saw this time lapse that is like what, 9-10 seconds I did. It happened right here, and the cool part about that tripod legs on that case is that you can set it up anywhere. I mean, I was trying to set it up on this rock and it wasn't stable enough, so I had to move to a different rock so it's more level, because those tripod legs, they're I mean, the whole case made out of plastic, but the thing is the legs so thin that they're like wobbling. Whenever you're putting on, it starts to shake. Like, let's say if the wind blows, I can see it moves a lot. It's a perfect small camera that you can set it up just to do a time lapse. This camera records in 1440. So it's a little bit higher than Full HD, and it records I think 50 frames, but I'm still using only 24. It records slow-mo, time-lapse, hyperlapse, motion lapse, and Pro, and the normal video. So the difference between Pro and a normal video, with Pro, the horizontal level, you can move it 360 the camera and it's still gonna hold it. If you record with the normal mode, it's not gonna do that. The normal mode affects the level. So if I turn the camera, it turns the level. But with the Pro mode, it holds the level the way it's supposed to be. By the way, forgot to say, this camera is waterproof, but without the case. Case is not waterproof, the actual camera. And it's up to 4 meters. You can go under the ground, under the water. Look at this. So beautiful there. If your battery dies on your camera and you put it in a case, the case can charge up to 2.5 hours extra of recording. That's so good, because like, let's say any GoPro or DJI Osmo Pocket or Action, if their battery died, they're dead, that's it. But this thing, you can charge up to 2.5 hours. One problem, the camera overheats. After 10 minutes, it turns off. You can record only up to 20 minutes, I think, so 10 minutes, then it turns off. You click record again, and it's another 10 minutes. And after that, the camera is like so hot. Like, you're not gonna able to touch that magnet on the back. Like, it's gonna burn your hand. I don't know why it does that. Like, I don't get it. And then you put it in the case, and it can charge up to extra 2 hours. But the thing is, the battery will hold, but the recording will not, because it overheats. He's taking some photos in there. He wants you to take some photos of me. That? The funny part is, it's so bright in here, and I have the glasses, but I left them in the car, and I grabbed them on purpose so we can walk around downtown, because it's gonna be bright in here. He's trying to get some batteries.
Мне лень вытаскивать все.
You change your battery?
You wanna play?
This camera, the Insta360, is so good for, let's say, places that is like airport or like stores and stuff, you can walk with this camera and nobody gonna notice you have it. Like I did it. You can put it on the chest and just walk around, or it has a mount on a cap, hat on this thing, cap, yeah. On a hat, baseball cap, yeah, and it has a mount, the one that you can go underwater. This is an awesome camera just to be like a spy because it's so small. Okay, now let's check this sound, how good the sound is coming out from this small camera. You guys know me, I always check the sound on any action camera. So let's jump into Insta360 Go. Okay, so this is the sound test on the Insta360 Go 2, and it's in a case. Say something. We'll see if you guys can hear that. And now let's take it out from the case and see if it's gonna continue recording or not. Oh no, it's still recording. Anyways, how's the sound now out of the case? Is this right here? Camera is right here. I'm speaking the exactly same way that I was speaking with my Canon R6. So tell me, how's the sound quality in this camera? What is here? Yeah, one wheel time. One wheel for me. Uh-oh. And this one, that's for this guy. That's for you. Not just shit. So what we're gonna do now is grab one wheel and the longboard and go drive around, and I'm gonna record everything on Insta360 Go and see how it does. Going to eat right now, and we'll record with this camera and that too. Left my R6 in the car. One wheel is fun. Tell me how stabilization of this camera, because it's so small, like I'm just holding it with my hands, nothing else. What we're gonna eat? No idea. I'm going to figure out what to eat. Let's check the low light, see how it is. We came in here. It's called Mongolian Grill. We're gonna get some food and see how's the footage in here coming. There's like almost no light. It's just like you can see it's a little bit of light in here. Got some coffee. So this guy, he doesn't know how to write anything. He always spills stuff. Always. Tell me how's the low light footage come out. I didn't see it yet, but I mean, I look on the internet and it looks decent compared to GoPro or DJI. It's way better. So I'm hoping that it's the same way right now. Okay, guys. So I got back to the same spot to take some photos of my car. I just washed it. It looks beautiful, all clean. And I hope you guys like this video, because this camera worth it. It costs only 300 bucks, and it makes sense because, like I said, you can be a spy with this camera. It's so small, you can hook it up to anything, cap, backpack, whatever. Go underwater with it. It does the job that it needs, and the quality of the video is good. Yes, it's not even a 2K video, but it still gives a good resolution for this tiny small camera. Horizontal level all the time at any situation. Perfect for action. Anyways, guys, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.